Hi there, students. I hope you can hear me above the sound of the water. Okay, to waltz off and to waltz through. Okay, the waltz is a dance. If you waltz through something, you do it really easily, without any problem. So he waltzed through the interview and was chosen for the job immediately. If you listen to enough of my videos, I'm sure you will waltz through any English exam that you are going to take in the near future. Okay? So, when you have to do something difficult, some sort of test, you could fail, you could pass, or you could waltz through it. You could do it really easily. Okay? Let's see. Notice, waltz through it, again, inseparable. You waltz through something. Okay, or just intransitive. He waltzed through. Okay, to waltz off, to wander off, to walk off. So I told my friends to wait here, but they're not here. It looks like they have waltzed off. They've walked away. They've gone somewhere else to do something else. Yeah? They've waltzed off. They've disappeared. Okay? Please stay where you are and don't waltz off. Notice, to waltz off is an intransitive phrasal verb. It doesn't take a direct object. Okay? To waltz off to somewhere. So he waltzed off to find something to eat. Okay? He left where he was supposed to be and went to find something to eat. On a Friday afternoon in businesses, maybe many of the staff waltz off early. They disappear, they sidle off maybe. Okay? So, to waltz off, to go away, to leave the place that you're supposed to be. Okay, to waltz off. What about formality? To waltz through, it's informal, yeah? It's an informal phrasal verb. He waltzed through his exam. He passed it easily. Okay? He waltzed off from where he was supposed to be. He wandered off. He wandered away. He left. Yeah? Okay? And both of them informal. So, anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. I hope your mind hasn't waltzed off with all this external sound or with all the boring things I've been saying. Yeah? And remember, you're going to waltz through your English exams. Enough. Bye for now.